Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you in how you can connect IC markets to MetaTrader 5. So basically what you want to do is to download the official application of MetaTrader 5 onto your device like mobile or Windows computer. Now you can do that by navigating through the official website. You can just search for MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader on Google, and from there you will be able to see the official website on which you will be able to download the application. If you're on your mobile devices, you can just download it from the official application downloader like the Google Play Store or the App Store. From there, the only thing that we need to do is to make sure that we already have an IC market trading account. Once you have done that, just navigate through the application, click on the file button at the top left corner of your screen, and then you want to click on open an account. From here, you then want to search for our company. In our case, it's going to be IC Markets. And then you want to scroll down and you will be able to find the IC Markets right here. We have the EU version, KE, the Group LTV, and the IC Markets International. In my case, I'm going to be navigating through the international section right here. Click on the next button, and then you want to select the last option, which is going to be connect with an existing trade account. Log in with your trading account credentials. Now, this is not going to be the IC Market account credential. You want to put your trading account that you have enabled on your account dashboard from IC Markets. So just use the credentials for that specific trading account, and then you want to make sure that you answer the right server. So from there, click on finish and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.